Hello everybody, back in El Salvador after almost a year. This thing's been sitting, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil on it. I think it's got about 800 or 900 kilometers on it. I usually just change it every year when I come here. So this is the XR150L 2018. I'm gonna just show you here real quick how to change it. I picked up the oil. I kind of love the oil they sell here, because this thing has like a built-in straw to fill it, so you don't need a funnel and all that crap. It takes 1 liter, so this bottle here is 1 liter, 1040. So I'm gonna pull the drain plug. Got this pan here. I don't think it's gonna hold all the oil. I don't know, I got a couple cans there if it doesn't, but I'll show you where the oil plug is if you're not aware. I can get this to, it's right there. It's a 12 millimeter, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack that loose, and we'll get the oil drain in here, hopefully without making a huge mess. So get that, got it broke loose, and I usually just spin it by hand, and then when I feel it's about ready to come out, I'll go ahead and give it a spin, and there it goes. Just let it drop out of there. I'm gonna keep an eye on it here, because if it looks like it's gonna overflow in this, I'm gonna put some in these cans. I think we're gonna be fine. So yeah, that's gonna be fine. It's already stopped, you know, the major flow coming out. Now it's just gonna drip. So I'll let that drip out, you know, for 10 minutes or so. I'll put the drain plug back in, and we'll start adding oil to it. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm ready to put the oil plug back in. I let this drain, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. Just should be able to feel where it's at. Pretty sure it's right there. Sometimes it's hard to, no, that ain't it. I'm not like laying on the ground here to do this. There it is right there. Is it? Yeah. Okay. There we go. I was having trouble getting it started. Alright. Give that a little tight in here. Alright. Good. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna add the oil next. Alright, we got the oil here. Like I said previously, this is a 1 liter bottle. So this bike takes 1 liter exactly. I love these because so you don't need a funnel or nothing, man. You just pull that straw out and dump it in. And you just pull it out till it clicks, and Put that in the fill hole, and you know, you can squeeze it to, you know, get it flowing. I've never seen these in the US, but it definitely makes it easier to add the oil back. This was like 12 bucks here in US dollars. And that's about it. Got 1 liter drained, 1 liter added back, and this bike, I haven't I haven't noticed that it uses any oil. It might be a good idea to just wipe the O-ring and make sure there's no debris on it, but basically you just lay it, don't thread it in, just set it on there, and then you know, level the bike as best you can, lift it out, and that's perfect. So that's pretty much it. Changing the oil on a Honda XR150L. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you would leave a like, subscribe if you like this content, and thanks for watching.